Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to MVC tutorial channel. This is part 5 of Student Management System playlist using SP.NET MVC with AngularJs. Before we start this video, please watch previous videos. And in this video, I am going to show you how to use AngularJs in SP.NET MVC. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to remove this text. So I'm going to Visual Studio and here views, in this views folder, share folder, and this layout, this index, home, this index. So I'm going to just remove from here, okay, and Ctrl S to save and click and refresh this browser. Okay, you can see here it's clean now, and here we're going to use AngularJs. So first of all, we are going to start from beginner. So let's see. Now we need a input text box and a input button. So I'm going to code here div class row, okay, and div class call empty 3, and here we're going to use input text box. So input type text, and we need ng model equal, we need to give a name. I'm going to give txt message, okay, and use class form control, okay, and I'm going to use another row, and here I'm going to use type button and class btn primary, and we need to use ng click for click event, and I'm going to set a function show data, okay. Now we need AngularJs file. So from my desktop I have already downloaded this AngularJs.min.js file. So just I'm going to copy, and in Visual Studio in this script folder I'm going to paste it, okay. You can see here this AngularJS min has been added, so I'm just going to drag and drop in our index page. Okay, now I'm going to create another file for AngularJs. So in script folder I'm going to add new folder and name it Angular controller, and in Angular controller I'm going to add JavaScript file, and I'm going to give a name test Angular controller JS and click OK button. Okay, you can see here this test Angular controller JS has been created. You can also see here. Okay, and now we need var my app equal Angular dot module, and I'm going to give a name MVC app. Okay, and use this. Okay, and this my app dot controller and I'm going to use here this controller without JS. Okay, and use function and in this function we need to use a parameter for dollar scope. Okay, and use second bracket. In this scope parameter I'm going to use this show data function equal function use second bracket, and I'm going to declare this we don't need this, and I'm going to give this button value show. Okay, show message. Okay, save it, and this txt message I'm just copy and I'm going to use var mes equal empty and mes equal this scope dot txt message. Okay, and alert it will show this message. Okay, and we need to include this test angular controller JS in our page. So I'm going to drag and drop here. Okay, now we need to use here another div. So div, in this div I'm going to paste it here, and we need here ng app. Okay, in ng app we need to this abc app name and ng controller we need this controller name. Okay, just paste it. Okay, controller is to save and reload this browser. Okay, we need to use div class from group. Okay, okay, and here I'm going to welcome to ABC tutorial. Okay, and click show message. Okay, you can see here this message has been shown. So we have successfully used AngularJs in our project. After showing this message, we need to clear this text. So what we need to do, we need to this scope dot text message empty. Okay, reload this button and we'll write hi, show message hi. Okay, you can see here this text has been cleared. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next part of this series. Have a great day.